Welcome to Pondicherry College of Engineering. I handle the subject Engineering Graphics and the subject code is GE8152. And in this video, I will give you an information about the syllabus of our subject and the Anna University question pattern. The first unit is plane curves and freehand sketch. In the plane curves, we do have three curves, namely cycloidal curves, conic curves and involute. And in the cycloidal curves, again we are learning three curves, namely ellipse, parabola and hyperbola. In the cycloidal curves, we used to learn the construction of cycloid, epicycloid and hypocycloid. And in the involute, we will trace out the involute curve from the circle and square. When we are coming to the freehand sketch, I can say freehand sketch is nothing but a drawing is drawn without having any instrument. So there we used to extract the front view, top view and side view of the object using the orthographic projection, right? And then moving to the second unit, projection of point, straight line and plane. Point in the sense it's a dimensionless object and straight line is a one-dimensional object and plane in the sense it's a two-dimensional object. So we are going to have the projection work of points, straight line and the plane in the second unit. And we will do the projection work always in the first angle projection throughout this subject. Let me move to the third unit. In the third unit, we majorly deal with a 3D object. That means the object which possesses length, width and height of the object. Then move to the fourth unit. Fourth unit is projection of second solid and development of surface. Section solid, projection of second solid in the sense, see, the internal part of the object cannot be viewed with the help of naked eyes, right? In such cases, we assume the imaginary plane called section plane, that is nothing but a cutting plane. By sectioning the object, we used to view the internal things. And when we say about the development of surface, it's nothing but just unfolding the lateral surface from the object on a plane is known as a development of surface. Just unfolding a lateral surface from the object on a plane. And then move to the fifth unit. It's a isometric projection and perspective view. Isometric projection, we will teach you how to construct a 3D object, but the advantage in the isometric projection is it just give the equal proportion of side view, top view and front view in the diagram, and also the measurement can be taken from the diagram itself. And then perspective projection. In the perspective projection, it just shows the object or shows the image as it appears to the observer. It's a realistic image. For example, I can say the image captured using the camera. Next, we shall know about Anna University question pattern. Actually, this Anna University question pattern for the engineering graphics concern, it is quite different from all the other subject, because all the subjects have the 2-mark question in the part A and part B, part C questions are there. But in the graphics, it is not like that. Just we will have 5 questions from 5 units. Okay, and each question carries 20 marks. And question pattern will be like this. And the first question belongs to the unit 1. Okay, there we will be having either or choice question, right? So mostly one of the question will be belongs to plane curves and another question will be belongs to freehand sketch, right? And next in the second question the question will be asked from the unit 2, projection of point, straight line and plane. In this, one of the question will be from projection of point and straight line, and this one of the question from the projection of plane. Move to the third question. In the third question, the question will be asked from the third unit, projection of solids. Both the question will be from the projection of solid. And move to the fourth question. The fourth question comes from the fourth unit, projections of section solid will be one part, and development of surface will be the another part of the question, right? And in the fifth question, the question will be asked from the fifth unit. One of the part will be belongs to isometric projection, and another part will be belongs to perspective projection, right? Each question carries 20 mark, totally 100 mark. And next, the credit allocated for the engineering graphics is 4. Actually, this credit will play a vital role in the calculation of CGPA or your percentage of mark. So, taking more mark in engineering graphics fetch you good score, right? And the grade will be allocated like this. That means if you take 91 to 100, it will be O, and if you take 81 to 90, it's a A plus. If it is 71 to 80, it's A, and if you take 61 to 70, it is B plus, and if you take 50 to 60, it's a B. And by this we can wind up this session, and in the coming days I will be posting the video in the topic wise, so do listen and it will be very useful to you. Thank you.